Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and I thank the Honourable Member for the question. Mr. Speaker, sir, the question is talking about the condition of the Golden Age home, and I assume that the Honourable Member is talking about the structure of the Golden Age home. As a way of background, the Ministry of Women, Children and Poverty Alleviation 6 years ago took charge of the 3 residential homes in Fiji: the Golden Age home Lautoka, Golden Age home Lambasa, and Samambula Golden Age home. Before that, the homes came under the Ministry of Health. As for the Golden Age home Lautoka, this home was built in 1940s and served as a primary school. And in 1960, it was handed over to government to serve as a residential home for our senior citizens. This situation, we would not be talking about this situation, Mr. Speaker, if our families were more responsible and if our families took care of their own elderly family members. Nevertheless, governments have taken care of the senior citizens who have sought refuge in our 3 homes. And in case of Lautoka, I agree with you that the condition of the home is sort of deteriorating because it's a very old structure, but we have not compromised the quality of care that we give out to our senior citizens. The Ministry of Women and Children has been lucky that we have had 3 successful capital projects in the form of Golden Age home Lambasa, approximately $4 million project. It's on the verge of completion and we are awaiting the completion certificate. We've also had the Western Disability Center that came at a cost of $1 million. It's completed. And we are now in the progressive stage of completing the Barefoot College, which also comes at a cost of around 4.3 million. And next on our priority list is a new Golden Age home facilities for our residents in the Western Division. And this will, we will apply to the normal budget process. Some years ago, the Construction Implementation Unit of Ministry of Economy did a scoping for renovation work. The building is not in a condition whereby we can inject more money to carry out renovation. It's very old. But like I said, I can assure the House, the quality of service is up to par. We have engaged more carers, and currently we have 43 out of the total of 119 residents that we have. Thank you.
Thank you.